I think it's disgraceful. I think it's clear that Trump was guilty. It's clear that he abused power. It's clear that he, forget the charge for Congress, but it's clear that he is guilty all around, and he should have been removed from office.
I'd hope that a couple of Republicans, other than the one, would have reacted and seen the light and, done the way they were talking. Some of them actually talked about how the president was guilty, but they still wouldn't follow through with it. So it's rather distressing.
It's a pretty good crowd. I think everybody is like me. You want to make a statement as an individual. It doesn't seem like as a single person you can necessarily do that, but if enough of us get together and we try to make a difference,